expectation. Mr. Speaker, have you had a girlfriend before?
May we know what is your definition of a girlfriend?
The person you have committed yourself.
Three times.
3 times, alright, so 3 times. So, when you were having, when your relationship with your girlfriend, with your first girlfriend was in trouble, did you decide to abandon her? Just because another one has presented herself as a better choice?
Two things. My first girlfriend, we never had any trouble. We broke up because she wants to go to the United States, and I want to stay here because I'm pursuing my law school. She's not yet sure. She has to be an immigrant green card holder there. She cannot come back until a certain period of time, and we don't know. And I can go there because I have to finish my law first. So we don't know when to meet. So it's better for us to break up. And if you meet again that we're not yet committed to anyone, then we continue our relationship. But if we are committed to someone else, of course we cannot pursue that anymore. I was not committed at that time. Unfortunately, she got married when she was there. That's the first. The second, that's my answer.
Well, have you ever been caught in a situation where you have to leave an old girlfriend and look for a new girlfriend?
No.
Just because?
In fact, the time gap between my second and third girlfriend